Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a router device. Why do we even need it? What are its main functions? And how does it work? So let's get started. A router is a device that helps devices in different network communicate to each other. It operates on the layer 2 of the OSI model, and based on the IP addresses it forwards the data packet to the destination. So before router existed, we uh, could not communicate in a different network. Suppose a PC in a 10.0.0.0 network wants to communicate another PC sitting in the next to him department, and he is running a 20.0.0.0 IP address. So without a router it is not even possible to make them communicate with each other and establish a network connection between different networks. And router make this possible to help devices, PCs, servers, laptops, any kind of devices, make them communicate with each other. Router also act as a gateway to the internet, and it also act as a gateway uh, to external network, wide area network, and also local area network. It keeps us connected. Router, there are different types of router we use on a local area network level and also WAN level, wide area network. Routers operates at network layer of OSI model. It works on the IP addresses, and based on the IP addresses, it forwards the data packet to the destination, as we talked earlier. Now, how does he learn these different kinds of routes and data packets? It learn these path, and how does it maintain it? It store all these available path in the routing table, and based on the cost and calculation, reaching to the destination, what is the available cost for it. So uh, we always take the best route to reach to the destination. Router does the same. So router store all the best paths in this routing table, and based on the calculation and based on the table, routing table, it delivers the data packet to the destination. And how does we do that? We do that after running routing protocols such as RIP, OSPF, and EHRP. In a router, we run these protocols to provide end-to-end connectivity in a network. Now, let's get into a main function of router. There are four major functions of routers. It select the best path toward the destination. After all calculation, it does forward the packet to the destination with the destination IP addresses and IP header, and packet contains all the information regarding the IP and routing protocol. Network segmentation, it does also segment different it also segment those different network and make them communicate with each other. Router also has the functions of security, like network address translation, converting private IP address to public IP address, and inverse. Access control list, we can also create access uh, list in a routers so that we can define our own set of conditions and rules, so that what kind of network and what are the things that I need them to communicate, and they can share the information with each other. If I want to deny any access to the network of a device, we can do that with the ACL. So these are some of the major features, or you can say security features specifically, that helps devices to communicate, and router runs on it. How does a router work? Like everything is written here, which I discussed also. It reads the destination IP address. It is the first thing that a router does. Afterwards, it look in the routing table to find the best path for that IP addresses. After that, it forward it to the next hop. Hop refers to a router itself. In a networking term, a hop always known as a device. So you can always refer a hop a device. Whenever you hear this word in networking, and you when you are learning CCNA and networking, you will always you will always get to know this word and come across a lot to it. So hope is a device. It uses protocols and like RIP, EHRP, OSPF to learn route automatically. So if there are multiple there are multiple routers connected to each other, and so they have different IP addresses, because as I said before, router work on the network layer and based on IP addresses. So they have different networks and different IP addresses to the between routers. So router cannot work alone. It needs something. So routing protocols are those things, or you can say routing protocols are the main source of power, and which provides us end-to-end connectivity, and we can just do everything on the internet just because of these things. Here you can see a typical small office, home network, SOHO network, where you can see how does this network design takes place, and how does it look and provide us end-to-end connectivity. ISP provides us the internet, and through that ISP, the router, a device which takes which is directly connected through WAN links and LAN ports to a switch, and a device switch you can connect your PC, and also a wireless access point which provides the connectivity, end-to-end connectivity for Wi-Fi devices, or those devices do not support Ethernet cables. So like our laptops, nowadays laptops doesn't support Ethernet ports, and yeah, our phones. So whenever we need um, wireless connectivity, we use access point, and this is a device that represents it. So this is how a typical SOHO network looks like, where internet provides, where ISP provides the internet, and the router takes all of that to connect into a switch, and switch is connected switch is connected to our PCs, and this is our local area network will look alike. So that's all for today video. Here today we have discussed a lot, and I have tell you about a router, how does it functions, and why it is so important. So whenever you connect to your Wi-Fi through your mobile, just keep that in mind. Router is working, and it has taken your data to the server, and it has and came back again to provide you the internet connection. So yeah, we all of us browse daily, connect to the internet, and if we are not aware about it, how do we connect, and how we are getting the internet. So these are the things that are running on a network level, which provides us end-to-end connectivity. So thank you all of you for listening to me, and I hope you learn something today, and that will help you to build your foundation in networking. Take care, bye bye. See you in the next video.